Picture this. Two travelers at the airport. One is desperately repacking a bulging, overweight suitcase, a sweat breaking on their brow as they realize their passport is in the other jacket. The person in the next line? They glide through security, a picture of calm, shoes off, laptop out, not a care in the world. What's their secret? It's not luck. It's preparation. And today, you're learning the 24 expert tips that separate travel chaos from a seamless journey. Section 1, let's start with pre-trip essentials. Alright, first things first. Weeks before you even think about zipping up a suitcase, you need to tackle these big-ticket items. 1. Check your passport and visa. Seriously, do this now. Many countries require your passport to be valid for at least 6 months after you plan to come home. Hop on your destination's official embassy website to see if you need a visa. 2. Get comprehensive travel insurance. Don't even argue, this is non-negotiable. Good insurance is your safety net for everything from canceled flights and lost bags to, most importantly, medical emergencies. 3. Give your bank a heads up. A quick call to your bank and credit card companies with your travel dates is all it takes to prevent them from freezing your account when they see a surprise purchase from a Parisian cafe. 4. Sort out your health. Check in with a travel clinic for any necessary vaccinations. Some need to be administered weeks in advance. While you're at it, get refills on any prescription meds so you have more than enough for the trip. 5. Do a little homework. You don't need a PhD in local culture, but knowing a bit about customs, laws, and basic safety tips will help you feel and act more like a confident traveler and less like a lost tourist. 6. Plan your phone situation. Nothing ruins a travel budget like surprise roaming charges. Talk to your wireless carrier about an international plan, or just plan on grabbing a local SIM or eSIM card when you land. Section 2. Let's discuss the art of packing now for the main event. Your luggage. What you pack and how you pack it is an art form. 7. Divide and conquer. Your checked bag is for clothes, not your life. Valuables, medications, documents, and electronics always belong in your carry-on. No exceptions. 8. Pack a first night kit. Keep one change of clothes and a few essential toiletries in your carry-on. If your checked luggage takes a little vacation of its own, you won't be stuck. You'll just be grateful. 9. Know your airline's rules. Every airline has its own quirky rules about luggage size and weight. A quick check on their website will save you from playing the repack your bag on the floor game at check-in. 10. Respect the liquids rule. You know the drill. All liquids in your carry-on must be in containers of 100 milliliters or 3.4 ounces or less. And they all have to fit in one single, clear, quart-sized bag. 11. Build a mini pharmacy. Toss in some pain relievers, band-aids, antiseptic wipes, and anything else you might need for a minor headache or blister. The future you will thank you. 12. Bring an empty water bottle. You can't bring a full bottle of water through security, but an empty one is perfectly fine. Fill it up on the other side to stay hydrated on the plane without paying airport prices. 13. Don't forget your power. A universal power adapter is a must. A portable power bank is your best friend. Landing with a dead phone is a rookie mistake you won't be making. 14. Pack for peak coziness. Let's be real, planes aren't built for comfort. A neck pillow, noise-canceling headphones, an eye mask, and a big scarf that can double as a blanket will absolutely transform your flight. Section 3. Dominating the airport can feel like a battlefield. But with these strategies, you'll navigate it like a seasoned pro. 15. Check in from your couch. Most airlines let you check in online 24 hours before your flight. Do it. You can pick or change your seat and waltz past a huge line at the airport. 16. Arrive obscenely early. For international flights, the rule is 3 hours before departure. Yes, 3. This buffer is your secret weapon against massive security lines and any other curveballs the airport throws at you. 17. Dress for success at the security gate. Make it easy on yourself. Wear slip-on shoes, skip the big metal belt buckle, and keep your jewelry minimal. You'll breeze right through the scanner. 18. Organize for the bins. Have your boarding pass and ID in hand. As you approach gate security, have your laptop and liquids bag ready to go. Smooth and simple. Section 4. Thriving in the air. You're on the plane. Now let's make this long-haul flight feel a little less long. 19. Hydrate and get up. Cabin air is ridiculously dry, so drink way more water than you think you need. Make a point to get up, walk the aisle, and stretch to keep your circulation moving. 20. Give compression socks a try. They might not be a fashion statement, but on a long flight, these socks can seriously reduce swelling and lower the risk of blood clots like DVT. 21. Beat the ear pop from airline cabin pressure. To avoid that painful ear pressure during takeoff and landing, just chew some gum, yawn, or swallow a bit of water. It helps everything equalize. 22. Know your way out. This sounds dramatic, but it's a smart habit. When you sit down, just count the rows between you and the nearest emergency exit. It's a 2-second action that could be crucial in a real emergency. 23. Stay strapped in your seat. Even when the seatbelt sign is turned off, it's a good idea to keep your belt loosely fastened while you're in your seat. Turbulence can show up unannounced. 24. Become your own in-flight entertainment. Let's be honest, the Wi-Fi may be spotty and you might not like the onboard movie selection. Before you leave home, download your favorite shows, podcasts, and music. And that is the list of expert tips to ensure your next international trip starts off on the right foot. If this was helpful, hit that subscribe button for more travel wisdom. And provide a comment below on this channel with your own #1 travel hack. We all want to know. So in conclusion, traveling the world does not have to be a gauntlet of stress. Remember those 2 travelers in the airport? The difference between them isn't magic, it's just a plan. By preparing ahead, packing smart, and owning your airport experience, you set yourself up for a journey that's just as incredible as the destination. Happy travels!